Welcome to Product Critique. Today we're diving into what we believe is the best Hiit Deck on the market, the Stack 52 Bodyweight exercise cards. This isn't just a workout tool, it's a game changer for anyone looking to build muscle, burn fat, and actually have fun doing it. Imagine this. You've got 5 to 15 minutes to spare between meetings, while your coffee brews, or before dinner. Instead of scrolling on your phone or zoning out, you pull out a few cards from the Stack 52 deck. And just like that, you're doing push-ups, lunges, or planks. You're not just moving, you're progressing, improving, and sweating with purpose. The concept behind Stack 52 is simple. Turn exercise into a game. It was created by military fitness expert Sergeant Vokin, who actually earned a medal from the US Army for the workout programs he developed. That level of credibility is baked into every card. These aren't just random movements. They're effective, bodyweight-based exercises carefully curated and organized with a progressive difficulty system. Whether you're a beginner or an elite athlete, you can start where you are and build your way up. The deck contains 55 cards in this base set, and each one showcases a different bodyweight exercise, over 50 in total. What's great is that you'll never do the same workout twice unless you want to. It's constantly varied, which keeps you interested in your muscles challenge. And it's more than just pictures on a card. Each card comes with a QR code that you can scan with your phone, instantly unlocking a video of Sergeant Vokin himself demonstrating perfect form and giving clear instructions. It's like having a personal trainer in your pocket, without the cost or scheduling headaches. You don't need any equipment. No gym, no planning, no prep. You can play solo, or even better, turn it into a competition with your spouse, friends, or kids. That's where Stack 52 really shines. It makes fitness fun. You're not forcing yourself to work out, you're actually looking forward to it. And let's talk about portability. This deck is smaller than your phone and light enough to carry anywhere. Toss it in your backpack, gym bag, or even your glove box. Whether you're at home, at the park, traveling, or even at the office, a workout is always within arm's reach. It's designed for real life, for the person who's busy, who doesn't have time to plan workouts, who doesn't want to spend money on gear or memberships, but still wants results. It brings back the fun in fitness without compromising effectiveness. So if you've been struggling with consistency, motivation, or boredom, Stack 52 might be exactly what you need. It's not just another fitness product. It's a powerful tool designed by someone who understands how to train effectively, efficiently, and enjoyably. That wraps up today's review on Product Critique. If you're looking for a smarter way to stay fit, give the Stack 52 Bodyweight exercise cards a shot. It might just be the most fun workout you've ever had. See you in the next one.